I'm Rhys Williams of Precision Grazing. Over the next few weeks, together with Farming Connect, we'll be bringing to you a series of short video clips which will form a guide to grazing management. This series will help you understand grazing terminology, methods of measuring grass, the 3 golden rules of grazing. We'll also show how to calculate the grass that needs to be available to livestock. We will demonstrate how to plan and map out grazing rotations. We'll help you decide on the best way to make water available to livestock and also explain how to manage the movement of livestock on grazing rotations. This is an introduction, so firstly I'd like to explain the benefits of improved grassland management. Grass is an amazing plant. It can provide all the nutritional needs of a grazing animal throughout its reproductive cycle. Managed correctly, it will provide the correct balance of protein and energy, will outcompete purchased feeds at a fraction of a price. Wales has got an excellent environment to grow grass. We've got the potential to grow more of it of better quality. Improved grassland management is the quickest way to increase profits on Welsh farms by reducing costs and increasing output in an environmentally friendly way. The first session will be on grass terminology. I hope to see you then.